Hey guys, what's up? Hope everyone's doing just fine. It's the 14th of July right now, and I've got another 2 or 3 more days for my upcoming ride to Dandeli. And it's been a really long time since I've actually shopped, so I've decided to go to Decathlon. It's just about 2 or 3 kilometers from my place, so I thought, let's just go there and pick up a few things. So talking about preparations for the ride, I just gave my bike for service, so the bike is neatly serviced and all set to go. As you know, I recently purchased the GoPro, so this is my first ever test on the GoPro on the bike. So I'm hoping everything works out fine. I'm not sure about the mic. I've just got the mic set up as well. I tested it at home. It sounded good, but I don't know how it's gonna sound on the road. I really hope it works out fine, because I don't really have a lot of time, because I've got the trip in about 2 days, and as you know, I am working, so I spend a lot of time working, and then I do the night shifts as well. So the time that I get to spend for myself is very limited. In that limited time, I have to figure out my personal life, I have to figure out my professional life. In that, I've also got to prepare for my ride. So at this time, I'm usually sleeping, but then I'm so excited for the ride that I can't really wait. And now that it's raining, I decided let's go pick up some rain gear. If it was a shorter ride, I really wouldn't care much about the rain gear, because I have my rain liner in my jacket. But since this is a longer one, I just want to be safe. Since this is a longer trip, I didn't really want to take a risk, so I'm gonna pick up the rain jacket, the rain coat, and a few t-shirts, and maybe a sleeping bag as well, because the place that we are going to has some really beautiful rooms, but they've got the nature camp as well, and they've got tents. They've got the tents, but they don't really have sleeping bags, so I decided let's pick up a sleeping bag and maybe just try it there. It's not like it's just gonna be used once. I'm gonna use it multiple times, so why not? As far as luggage goes, I haven't actually started packing anything. I'm just gonna carry 2 saddlebags on each side. One is gonna be filled with all of my clothes and stuff like that. The other one, I usually carry some kit in case of emergencies, so that way I'm all sorted out. I don't carry a tank bag, because for some reason I can't really mount it on my KTM and it isn't very comfortable. So I carry a backpack. So the backpack mainly consists of my camera gear and my wallet and emergency stuff like my documents and things like that. This trip that I'm going on is going to be my longest trip, and I say longest trip not personally, but for you guys on this channel, this is going to be my longest bike ride ever. And I'm going to be riding with the Gear Tribe. The Gear Tribe, if you're not sure by now, it's a group started by me and Hari, and I will tell you more about it when I'm on the road, guys. But for now, I've actually reached Decathlon, so let's get in, park the bike, and then get some shopping done. Okay, so I've just reached Decathlon, and I think I better get shopping. I see a lot of things that I need. I'm not really sure what to pick, what not to. I don't want to spend a lot as well, because I sometimes simply waste money for no reason. So let's start picking stuff right away. The first thing that I need today is definitely some rain pants. So rain pants and a raincoat. So these look pretty good. It's about 6.99 rupees a piece. So let's find my size and just pick up one. So next I'm actually confused between the sleeping bags and the duvets. So these are like, a comforter type. So basically, if you're sleeping in a tent, or even if you're sleeping in a hotel and you're not sure about the cleanliness and you don't want to sleep on the bed sheets, just wrap yourself in this and you're good to go. So this is about 999. It's pretty light. It isn't going to take up a lot of space. But on the other hand, if you look at these sleeping bags, is pretty affordable, but the problem is they're really big. And since I'm traveling by bike, carrying so much of gear is going to be a very big problem. So I think I've decided to go with this. So let's pick up one of the duvets. The next on my list is an hydration pack, and for an hydration pack, the cheapest option I'm gonna find is one of these mini little bags. So it looks like this is on offer. This is usually a little expensive, but this one seems really cheap today. So I'm gonna pick up one of these bags, and I'm sure a 1 or a 2 liter hydration pack is easily gonna fit into this. So let's pick what do I pick? Let's pick a black one, just to be simple. Alright, the next thing on my list is this hydration pack. So you've got this hydration pack, which is about 1 liter and 3 liters. It's about 2,000 rupees. So you got it with, no, this is actually a 5 liter one. So you got it with the bag. Or if you don't want to buy that, you can just buy the one on top, that one. So I'm not sure about an hydration pack, so I'm gonna buy that, test it out. If I like it, if I think I'm pretty comfortable, I'll then go for this later. Okay, I found the raincoats. It's about $4.99 today. So they've got black and they've got blue. I rather pick blue. So alright guys, my shopping is almost done. I picked up a few t-shirts, raincoats, some rain pants, socks, and an hydration pack as well. So now the time to bill. The best part about Decathlon is you don't actually need to go to the billing counter, and because of COVID, that's actually better. So they give us this app. So all I need to do is scan and then scan the image, and then it automatically gets billed. So okay, so let me get the billing done for now, and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so the shopping is done. So I picked up all of the stuff that I need for the ride. I think I'm pretty much ready with everything except packing my bag. So I'm gonna get home right now, get the other stuff done, and I will see you soon on the exciting trip to Dandeli. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.